The built-in cam on the Ioniq 6N isn't just any dash cam. During everyday driving, it works like a regular high-definition front and rear camera system. However, in race cam mode on the track, it transforms into a powerful tool for recording and analyzing your driving performance. To use it as a built-in cam, select Built-in Cam, lower left menu button. Then press Built-in Cam Settings in the infotainment home screen and configure the features you need, including recording options, audio capture, parking recording, recording duration, and time-lapse intervals. You can also adjust impact sensitivity, camera height, app connectivity, and SD card settings from this menu. Each built-in cam footage automatically records time, speed, gear position, and GPS location. If you want to manually capture an event, press the camera button briefly on the overhead console to save the footage before and after that moment. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds to record in time-lapse mode. But the real excitement starts on the track. In mode, press the record button to switch to dedicated track recording mode, which automatically records lap timer data. Also, the system logs your run along with speed, gear, brake pressure, throttle input, G-force, steering angle, best and current lap times, and track map, giving you the data you need to analyze your performance. Record your laps with InRaceCam and analyze your driving like a pro. As your skills grow, the thrill of every run will only get bigger. Finally, saved videos can be viewed directly on the AVN screen, or by removing the SD card from the glove box and connecting it to a computer for playback and analysis.